Hey y'all, today we're in Foley, Alabama at Pirates Cove RV Resort. This resort currently has 132 sites. They have a second phase planned that they're currently working on that's going to give them 202 sites. All of the sites are on nice large concrete pads. They are big rig friendly, although some of their sites are a little bit smaller, but if you book online, it'll show you the size of your site. It's a really nice resort. It has a nice pool. They have a large hot tub, a little community fire pit area. They have a kids playground. They have a basketball court, a community center with a nice game room. They have pool tables. They do pool tournaments. They have laundromats, bathhouses, and we're going to show you all of it, so stick around. And then they have bathhouses here. They have a laundry room in there, big screen TV that they watch, football games and stuff on. How cool is this hot tub? Hot tub. Really nice. But this is what it's all about, y'all. This has got to be probably the largest pool that we have seen at the RV resorts, and by far the most amount of chairs around it, and just the coolest. I mean, how cool is that? So it goes from 3'2" down here to 4'2" down there. They have the picnic tables with the umbrellas, great landscaping with the palm trees. We just love it. It's beautiful. Isn't that cool? So like this little area right here is 1'6", so for the little kids. Shallow area over here. And then it goes down into the 3'2", and like I said, on the back side is the 4'2". They have a couple of vending machines here. They have a outdoor TV here that they also watch games on. They do have a laundromat here. It's kind of small, but they have some, enough washer and dryers, and they're nice. They have a change machine there. So that's it. It's a cool area. Isn't that cool? Absolutely love it. Pirates flag. The entire park is themed, with the cool pirate stuff. The RV park. This area here, definitely one of my favorites. Seen a lot of these like on Instagram and stuff, people wanting them for their backyards. And then they have a cool little playground area here, set up with a lot of stuff for the smaller kids. These are, so we're over there, so we have the Wildcat sitting there right now because we're doing the final touches on it to get it on RV Trader. and then Zion is sitting there. So we're on 98 and 99. These sites right here, 108. This one right here is, I believe it's 109. Yeah, 109. This is like the biggest site in the park. Now you can see there is an oak tree above it, so that acorn just fell. But this site is really large. It's extra roomy, long, wide, plenty of room for your RV and your vehicles or what have you. And then this is 110, a little bit smaller, but still good room. So there's the back sites. And we will probably do a full drive-through for you, like we typically do in some of the parks that we like. But yeah, so there we are. Okay, one final thing before we go. I wanted to show y'all the progress they've done on this second phase here. They are doing an additional 70 sites, as well as another bathhouse and an indoor pool. And they've got this great little pond back here, and they're doing a walking path around it. It has a really pretty fountain in the middle that lights up with different colors at night. They did a boardwalk over it and put a fish cleaning station on it. I think they're going to do catch and release, but don't hold me to that. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please remember to give us a thumbs up, and we'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel.